Dog breeds, having best for your lifestyle. Having a dog requires a perfect breed for your pet. Each canine breed has its very personal set of trends, from energy tiers and duration to temperament and grooming needs. Understanding these trends and how they align collectively together with your lifestyle can make sure that both you and your new pup will stay a glad and pleasurable existence together. Whether you're a first-time canine proprietor or a skilled puppy discern, deciding on the right breed is a vital part of ensuring a sturdy, long-lasting bond. 1. Understanding your lifestyle. Before diving into which breed might be the proper match for you, it is essential to take a second to mirror your lifestyle. Ask yourself key inquiries to better understand what will be excellent for each you and your destiny dog. Do you got a whole lot of unfastened time to devote to your puppy? Are you energetic and experience outdoor activities, or do you pick an extra comfortable home environment? Do you live in a massive residence or a small condo? By know how your each day routine, available space, and energy degree, you can slim down your alternatives to breeds which might be a better suit. 2. Size matters. One of the primary elements to bear in mind even as choosing a breed is size. Dog breeds are available in all sizes and patterns, and matching a breed for your residing place and lifestyle is critical. Here's how to reflect on consideration on size. Small dogs, perfect for rental dwellers or people with confined locations. Medium dogs, these breeds usually require more vicinity to roam but are still feasible in most homes. Breeds like beagles, cocker spaniels, and bulldogs fall into this class. Large dogs, ideal for households with yards or the ones dwelling in large houses. Breeds like golden retrievers, Labrador retrievers, and German shepherds are tremendous for people with adequate area. 3. Activity level and energy needs. Different dog breeds have varying degrees of strength. Understanding your canine's interest wishes will assist make certain they live happy and healthful. High-energy dogs. If you experience outside sports, a dog that can keep up with you is critical. Breeds like Border Collies, Australian Shepherds, and Siberian Huskies want ordinary workout and intellectual stimulation. Moderate energy dogs, breeds like Beagles and Boxers strike a balance amongst wanting workout and being snug with lounging throughout the residence. Low energy dogs, if you decide upon an extra snug lifestyle, don't forget a dog that doesn't require loads of workout. Bulldogs, Shih Tzus, and Basset Hounds are recognized for their laid-on-once-more nature. 4. Temperament and family compatibility. The temperament of a breed is important, mainly if you have youngsters or extraordinary pets. Some breeds are sincerely extra sociable and gentle, on the same time as others can be extra independent. Family-friendly breeds, golden retrievers, Labrador retrievers, and beagles are identified for their pleasant nature and remarkable compatibility with children and different pets. Independent breeds, some breeds, like the Shiba Inu or the Chow Chow, are more unbiased and may not have interaction as eagerly with children or distinct animals. Other pets, if you have got other pets, ensure the canine breed you select is tolerant. For example, a few breeds have strong prey drives, in order that they may not be appropriate when you have cats or small animals. 5. Grooming and maintenance. Each dog breed possesses specific grooming requirements, so selecting the right one is imperative, fitting your lifestyle and time devoted to safety. High grooming needs, breeds of poodles, Afghan hounds and Shih Tzus, for instance, can mate and tangle extremely fast if proper grooming does not take place. Low grooming needs. These breeds include bulldogs, boxers, and dachshunds that shed minimally and are less groomed in the usual sense to be suitable for owners opting for a low protection preference. Allergy-friendly breeds. If you suffer allergic reactions, hold in mind breeds with hypoallergenic coats, plus poodles or Bichon Frises, that have a tendency to shed less and are often recommended for allergy sufferers. 6. Adoption versus breeders. You can also adopt dogs from breeders. Both alternatives have their benefits. Adoption. Adopting a dog from a safe haven or rescue group is a splendid way to offer a puppy a second threat. Many combined breed dogs in shelters are in need of a loving domestic and can make fantastic pets. Adoption also can be a greater low-price choice. Reputable breeders. If you're seeking out a selected breed, make certain you choose a good breeder who follows moral breeding practices. A responsible breeder will provide health statistics, make certain the nice being of the animals, and avoid contributing to overpopulation. Whether you adopt or purchase from a breeder, ensure you're prepared for the obligations that include bringing a canine into your lifestyles. The role of resources like NAF. Platforms like naref.org and agencies inclusive of the National Animal Health Foundation are first-rate assets for able canine owners. NAF gives a wealth of expert recommendations, connecting you to trainers and veterinarians who will let you recognize your selected breed's particular desires. The National Animal Health Foundation is likewise a valuable aid, supplying academic materials on health care, preventive measures, and breed-precise concerns. By consulting those sources, you could make sure you are making a knowledgeable selection about the proper canine breed and the way to care for your new accomplice. Conclusion: choosing the proper canine breed is a key part of making sure a glad and healthful lifestyle for both you and your puppy. By thinking about factors like size, activity level, temperament, grooming desires, and health concerns, you may select out a breed that aligns with your lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a high-energy jogging companion or a low-maintenance lap dog, information that suits high quality together with your daily routine is vital. With the assistance of resources like NAF and the National Animal Health Foundation, you can make an informed decision that leads to a worthwhile and lifetime companionship together with your new bushy friend. Disclaimer: the opinions expressed in this article are those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views or positions of KISS PR or its partners. This content is provided for informational purposes only and should not be construed as legal, financial, or professional advice. KISS PR makes no representations as to the accuracy, completeness, correctness, suitability, or validity of any information in this article and will not be liable for any errors, omissions, or delays in this information or any losses, injuries, or damages arising from its display or use. All information is provided on an as-is basis.